Okay, guys and girls, obviously. Um, right now I'm at the bottom of the ascent, which is expecting me, and yeah, as you can see in here, doesn't look like nothing, but I'm sure it will be more than that. So wish me luck. Ooh. Oh, come. Yeah. I'm on my. Okay. I'm on my first gear, which is not ideal, but the second gear at this motorcycle is just not good. Uh, okay. So it will be a little bit of that, like before. It's the leaves mainly in here, I would guess. I will step out from the motorcycle. Yes, and we will. Okay. Another. Okay. Yeah, as I said, doesn't look like much. But the road tires and. Okay, I need to go lower to a different grip. I'm pretty sure because this small bit, but this small bit could be a big change. And I'm thinking now not to only deeper. Okay, and brake. Okay, I'm going to deal with this somehow differently. The bike is standing more or less. So, we'll have to brake, but you'll have to help. And now, I really don't know what I'm doing. I there. But, yeah, nothing. But, yes, as you can see, these tires. Okay, I will do this. I will probably try to go down a little and try this line, which is fresh, but I'm sure I'll end up there anyway. Okay, so down, wasn't helpful. Okay, I will need to deal with this somehow differently. The bike is standing more or less. Okay, so it will definitely break, but it will help. Okay, and now I really don't know what I'm doing. Like, I've seen it a couple of times somewhere, but yeah, it's nothing. But yes, as you can see, these tires. Okay, now we will do this. I will probably try to go down a little and try this line, which is fresh, but I'm sure I will end up there anyway. Okay, well, what can we do? I gave up on that.
I found a better route, possibly. Who knows? Who's 50 meters from here? Like, my rear tire is full of mud. It doesn't make sense to clean it because it would end up the same after first spin. So, second try. This so far looks so much better, so much easier. So we'll see what will happen in a couple of meters. So far so good, yeah. So I think it should be okay. Uh, okay, climb. Bad traction, but what can I do, right? Bad traction, bad traction. Okay. This time I'm on second gear, and like that would be my only complaint, but not a complaint. I could do it for some money and change it. That is mapping of the second gear, which is okay. The second gear is not good for slow speeds. Yeah. Nice. And in here, yeah, it should be left. Definitely not downhill. I don't want. I don't want no more downhills. Sitting for quite a bit. I'm tired. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Oh. Woohoo! But right now, as you can see, since this bike and second gear is so bad, it saved me right in that moment. If it would be a different bike, I would be lying. Okay. Like, this bike is so forgiving. Uh, we will. Oh, okay. Probably not the best idea. Okay. I guess that was some luck. Okay, I will definitely need to find a very, very nice slope going downhill because I can't brake at all. Yeah, we'll go that way. In here, I know where I am, finally. I didn't know the road going here, but right now I know where I am. Oh my god, that was something. And hey, if it's not proper off-road for some of you, uh, it's definitely good enough for me. Uh, Especially on these tires. Yeah, we will have another nice view in a minute. Okay. That doesn't look good. I will have to check my phone where I am because I'm not where I expected to be. Uh, okay, so if I came from here, I should be okay, I guess. I really don't want to go downhill. Not more today. Like going downhill, not knowing where I'm going. Yes, okay, cool. Uh, nice. In here I could go theoretically a little bit faster, but as you can see, uh, it's frozen and my rear tire is all mud. So maybe for just a little bit, when it looks safe, safe fish. Safe fish. Okay, doesn't look safe-ish here, but it's straight. Which is a good thing. Okay, I can sense it even going straight, like the rear is not in a solid line. Okay, promised Vista incoming. Nice. Oh well, it's not that kind of good vista. It's fog everywhere. I'm thinking which route should I take going down. Probably this one. That would be the safest. Oh my god. Honda Scrambler. What a machine. It's just great. As any scrambler is mostly for roads, obviously, but this kind of off-roads is exactly what I'm planning to do long term, most of the time, and maybe with a different bike at some point I will try more proper off-road, let's say. Yeah, there should be a Vista there as well. Ice. Yeah. Well, it is nice to me. I'm not sure what you will be able to see on the camera, but yeah, this is where I live. I could go that way, but there is a very steep road there, and I don't want to risk it. Oh my god, that's very nice. So glad I made this trip today. Okay, a little bit of braking in here. Not used to this road. Probably like second time I go here. Sometimes there are big ruts. Sometimes they cover it with some gravel and yeah, things like that. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Yeah, that was a very nice trip. See you guys.